Welcome to the Fear and Greed Afternoon Market Report for Monday the 24th of May 2021, where in just a few minutes I'll tell you everything you need to know about what's happened in financial markets and the world of economics today. I'm Michael Thompson, in the chair this afternoon for Sean Aylmer. The ASX 200 closed up 0.2% today, climbing to 7,046 points. There are a few big movers in both directions, and I'll go through them in a moment. But one of the highlights today was Commonwealth Bank's share price hitting a new record of $99.16. It closed at $98.76, which was still up almost 0.8% for the day, giving Australia's biggest company a market capitalisation of around $174 billion. Online retailer Kogan.com's share price bounced hard today, ending up 14.7% after its 14% tumble on Friday. Investors sold the stock off after the company said it was facing headwinds around inventory levels and supply chain logistics, while the pace of growth in demand has subsided. Clearly, investors thought the stock had been oversold. It was the biggest gain by far today on the ASX 200. Gold miners also had a good day, with Gold Road Resources closing up 5.8% and West Gold Resources and Silver Lake Resources both around 5% higher. Newcrest and Evolution closed up around 2.5%. The price of the precious metal has been on a great run lately, trading well over $1,880 today. But it wasn't such a good day for the rest of the materials sector, with iron ore miners hit hard. It came after Chinese authorities said they'll severely punish violations in commodity markets, saying the government had zero tolerance for monopolies in spot and futures markets, the spreading of false information, price speculation, and hoarding. Over the weekend, iron ore, steel, copper and aluminium firms were told that excessive speculation was a reason for the recent surge in commodity prices. It's all part of China's efforts to reduce the cost of raw materials. It hasn't worked yet, but today it definitely hurt the prices of the big miners in Australia. BHP was down 1.8%, Rio was off more than 2.1%, and Fortescue tumbled more than 4.1%. Domino's Pizza Enterprises was one of the best performing stocks today, jumping more than 4.7%. It came after Citi upgraded the pizza joint, saying it thought Domino's would expand into new countries such as Italy, Spain and Poland, and increase the pace of store rollouts in Europe. Domino's share price is up close to 50% in the past 6 months. Buy Now Pay Later group Zipco said it would buy Spotii, that's Spotty with a double I, holdings in the United Arab Emirates and Europe's Twisto Payments, expanding its global footprint. Zip already has a minority stake in both businesses, and Zip will pay $160 million in cash and shares to up its holdings. Zipco's share price closed about 0.8% higher. Beleaguered software group Newey has established an independent board subcommittee to improve oversight of the group, following highly critical media reports last week. It said it'll also expand its board to include more independent members. Newey's share price was up 3.1% today after last week surging, then tumbling, then rising again. Checking Wall Street briefly, and the S&P 500 was pretty flat, down less than 0.1%. The Dow Jones was up nearly 0.4%, while the tech-heavy Nasdaq closed down 0.5%. One Australian dollar is buying 77.4 US cents. And finally, Bitcoin has had a pretty erratic day. It's worth around $46,000, around the same price it was 24 hours ago, but mind you, it's had a $6,000 dip between then and now. Crazy. That's it for the afternoon market report for Monday, the 24th of May 2021. Join Sean Aylmer tomorrow morning for the regular edition of the Fear and Greed Business Headlines. I'm Michael Thompson. Enjoy your evening.